Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my presentation. This is Nazmul Hassan, ID 202143212. My presentation topic online education, that is alltimestudy.com. Submitted to Safed Mansoor, Assistant Professor of Daffodil International University. So, why does your business make the world a better place? Because it makes closer between teacher and student. We would provide updated education system which help teacher to provide better education. The demand for education will continue increase day by day, but system will be different. I have an idea that helps to teach student and save the world, which a alltimestudy.com. This is online website and apps based education system. What problem are you solving? We will solve the education problem. We will remove the distance between student and teacher, provide better education. So, what is my solution? My solution is that in a platform we will be engaged together in teacher and student. Student will be connected from anywhere with any teacher. For example, a Bangladeshi student can connected with Oxford University teacher. Every teacher has an online profile. Student can see the profile as needed, students, choice, teacher, subject, and time duration. So there will have many options that can customize easily. It will measure with star. So what makes you different? Make an online system which remove distance to teacher and student. Make an online profile that can see student and keep connected with teacher. Student can communicate with specific and expert teach. Most importantly, student can get education, qualityful education. And this is in this website also have e-library. There have more and much PDF books. Then positioning statement. Positioning statement for students who want to get perfect teach and counseling. That is alltimestudy.com. It is education that make easier to connect with expert teacher from anywhere. Unlike any subject, any topic, you can search and find a available teacher and who expert on that. Unique selling point proposition. Unique education system, unique platform, create unique profile, student freedom which can help find a better education. Let us what are similar companies? Similar companies, Ruby tell me it is cool, because what do they do that is great. They use different and most common system, that is social media live, Facebook live and YouTube live, but there has no festival interaction. For that reason the student cannot ask any question frequently. So what can you do differently? We know that every teacher expert on one subject who teaching and counseling what subject them are expert, such as marketing teacher only teach and counsel on this subject. So we can do differently face-to-face interaction and easily ask question. Where is a student will be connected online live, so he or she can ask any type of problem. Any university and any college and any school teacher can teach any type of student that we can do differently. So what is your business personality? Our voice is your education on your hand. So our business personality is, if you have internet then you can learn. If you have internet can get a better education than offline. So what is the broadest circle of prospective customer? We design apps, website and social media. So this is teacher profile. For example, for teacher profile picture and personal information and available course, who teach, who is subject teach the teacher, like there have star mark, who is subject more star and low star. So here also we see that learn are total earn star and country list, who is country from student like US, from 7 student teach, China 11 student teach this is teacher, etc. There, and see possible time and individual and best system. So content marketing for our online education, like offline versus online education. Offline class boring, better is online learning, and find education everywhere. So this is all from me. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.